Welcome back to another episode of It's a Jag! Right, today I'm working on these. Now these aren't electrical fold mirrors, so they're manual fold. And these here, they can seize and be an absolute arseache. And it's just a bit inconvenient if you park on the road, for example, and you just want to turn this mirror in case someone hits it, because the previous Jag, someone's actually hit the wing mirror and broke the bloody cover. But now I fixed this one and I'm going to show you how to do it, and I will film the other side. Now what you need to do is get the cover off. You just need a thin tool to get between there. I did it from here to ping it off. Careful you don't snap the tabs. The other tabs there. So you're better off doing it from underneath that side to ping it off. Now to fix this, I've sprayed WD-40, which didn't work initially, so then what I did was got a bit of engine oil in the cap, a little syringe, and what you want to do is you want to just put it into there, especially around this rim area there. And I'll show you why I'm saying this rim area there in that side, because that's where it turns. And there we go. See where it's turning? So it's turning in that black inner circle and around the outer of it, so that's where you're not aim the engine oil. No, that's easy. I couldn't do that before. But it may, is that oil? Yeah, it is oil. Yeah, it may come out there as well, so you might have to just clean it up as well. Maybe I'll put a bit too much in there, but yeah, just be careful how you go. I've obviously put too much, that's why it's bloody coming out. But anyway, there you go, look at that, problem sorted. So we'll go through the other side. I better rinse that off, so I'll start the other side and I'll film it all. Yeah, just be careful how you go. Actually, you're better off sticking to WD, because I've used obviously too much oil. But anyway, I'll show you the difference between this side and that side. Easy. Let's move on to the other side. I've already taken the case off. See that? Jammed. So, let's be a bit careful this side and not use too much. Look at that. Lovely. And just work it back and forth. Yeah, as I said, the other side I've bloody used too much oil, and just a few drops should do it. And then you won't have a problem with it bloody leaking out. And that's it. That should be enough. Depending on how seized it is, just keep working it back and forth. Once you're done, pop the eye cover back on. That's it, there we go. says. And you're all done. So that's another problem fixed. Obviously idiots here have said has used too much on this side. Oh well, never mind, it'll stop eventually and it'll be alright. It'll be alright. So I'll end the video there. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check the shop out, the Etsy shop, and see if there's anything on there that you like. And there is more products on the way. Just have a, you're not inclined to buy anything, but just have a mooch and see if there's anything on there that you like. And I'll see you on the next one.